How to fight a bigger competitor if you are a smaller brand. How to snatch their consumers to gain market share.
Welcome to Business and Management Podcast.
Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. What if you are just a smaller brand who just entered a new market? You are an underdog player who has dreams and aspiration to grow into a big brand. And the market is dominated by big brands of existing competitors. And all those big guys want to crush you to maintain their hegemony. What are you going to do about it? Fight or flight? Of course, always choose to fight. But how to fight smartly against bigger competitors? Be like a sniper. Aim small target with high accuracy, then hit hard. Just like the famous story of David against Goliath. How did David defeat Goliath? David did not challenge Goliath for a wrestling match. Goliath will be easily crush him because he is much bigger. Instead, David was really smart. He used his slingshot and shot Goliath from afar. He aimed small, and with high accuracy, he hit Goliath's forehead in just one shot, instantly killing him. The same is true in business situation. When facing a much bigger competitor, do not challenge them openly. Never let them use their full power to crush you. Instead, find a weak point in your competitors. Identify their Achilles heel. Then, aim small with high accuracy, hit that weakness hard. In the marketing context, do not try to outspend their marketing money. They are much bigger companies with much bigger budget. They will defeat you in an instant. And you will be financially bleeding to the death. Instead, find a segment within your competitors' consumers who has stronger appeal to your brand. Find some consumers who are not that loyal to your competitor brand. Find those consumers who are easier to be persuaded to be converted to your brand. This will allow you to build a strong foothold in the market before expanding further. Also, a smaller attack may be ignored by the bigger competitors until it is too late. Let them underestimate you, but snatch their consumers. Use your competitors' strength against themselves. Ask this question: what would my competitors never do? Bigger brands, bigger companies are typically more complex and more bureaucratic. Decision making is typically slow. This is an opportunity for a smaller and nimble brand like you. Do something that your bigger competitors will never do. Find the unmet needs of the consumers who are currently using your competitor brand. Then fulfill those unmet needs. For example, a beauty shampoo brand will never have an anti-dandruff variant because dandruff is not beauty, it's not elegant. This is an opportunity for you. You can launch a beauty and health shampoo brand with both beauty and anti-dandruff benefits. This will convert the consumers who want both of the benefits into your brand. Understand the consumer's barriers, then break them. It is all come back to the notion that consumer is the boss. Talk to those consumers who you are trying to convert into your brand. Understand their barriers. Ask them what's stopping them to try and buy your brand. It could be because I'm not aware of your brand. I'm aware of your brand, but I don't need the benefit. My current brand is good enough. Then, why would I need to change into your brand? Once you understand the barriers of the consumers to try your brand, then you can start developing strategies on how to break those barriers. For example, if the barrier for a new consumer to try your brand is because I'm not aware of your brand, probably because you're a new brand just coming into the market, then you can focus your marketing strategies to create a stronger brand awareness and trial. How about you? What is your strategy to fight against bigger competitors? Please write in the comment section below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.